السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته kusoo dhawaada channelkayga maanta waxaa joognaa qaybta oo toyska waxaan rajeynayaa inaan isla socono yaa ila socdo ma taqaaniin waxa ila socoto gawar oo hadda isla shaqeynaynay oo channel kusoo dhaweeyay oo la dhaho Catherine Watana, welcome to my channel, Catherine.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy today we are together and we are exploring the toy section. So let's see the fun. You ready?
Get into it.
This is gate number 13, guys. You see? Toys showroom. Yeah, this building is all about toys. Let me show you around. Idin tutuso, guys. Baskan dadka imaaday yiwu way yaqaanaan waxa waay bus stopka oo caanka ah BRT1 oo toos u imaado meeshan. Oh, look at you, Catherine.
Smiling and everything.
Yeah.
Yay.
Let's go, girl.
Right.
Let's explore.
Great.
Guys, nala socda inshallah. Waxa waay we will have so much fun. Maanta waxaa arkaysiin toyska. Eid is coming. Eida soo socoto. Yeah. And dadka dhan waxay gadan doonaan alaabta oo ciida loogu talagalay. haddaa ku jirtid ganacsiga toyska alaabaha oo ciyaalka ay ku ciyaaraan la socod wanaagsan meeshan aad iyo aad uga heli doontaa.
Yes, wallahi.
Catherine.
Yes.
Futian market, what is your experience?
Girl, you need to eat well in the morning. You need the energy because the walking is a lot. Plus this place is so big, so you can even spend a whole day in just one floor. And one building has like 5 floors. So you can imagine the walking. So I think my advice in the morning, just get well fed and start walking.
That's true. Waxay idin dhahday meeshan aad u weyn yahay hal dabaq hal dhinac bas waxa ku soconaysaa like saacado maybe maalin dhan waa meel aad loo daalayo marka waxay ku dhahday si fiican isku soo diyaari cunto fiican soo cun adoo energy haysatid imaa meeshan si aad u socon kartid. You understand?
Yeah, like you need energy. Ikran, also I want to add maybe when we get in that when you come here you also need like someone to hold your hand because it's so confusing. Maybe I'll add it when we get in.
waxay idin dhahda meeshan kaligaa miska imaan kartid waa dhib badan tahay waa lagu wareerayaa waxa u baahnaanaysaa qof oo maaragtay kula socdo. Welcome to the show.
Ikram, are we going up? Where are we going?
Which side do we start?
The fun part.
The fun part is all over.
Everywhere. Is it everywhere? Oh, Halloween is coming.
Halloween is about time, right? A lot of people will buy Halloween things. Halloweenka soo socdo soo dad badan waxay gadan doonaan waxyaabaha Halloweenka. So we start from this side or this side?
Girl, why a Timbo? I don't know.
Let's go this side. Let's see.
Regular toys.
waxaan Halloweenka waa taqaaniin maahano waxa aqraadka u eg.
What's this for?
Okay.
Can you see me?
No.
I can see you.
والله عبسي waa cabsi
Oh, Ikram, this was those things we saw yesterday.
Yeah?
Those ones
Oh,
to throw
yeah,
them.
this one is the one he threw around, right?
Yeah. The swing spinner.
You know, a lot of people like these things, children especially.
This
عيالك waa waxan.
maybe for birthdays, right?
Yeah, look at this.
Can we try it on?
Try that.
Cool.
Catherine.
How do I look? Like a toy.
Yeah, you look so cool.
Really?
Take it out, take it out. This is scary. I think this will
Oh, I
suit you.
saw. This is the one we wanted to buy.
This will suit you.
The pink one.
Okay, okay, okay. It looks good.
It does?
Yeah. A lot of children will be happy with these things.
Yeah.
Marka yaraya waxaan jeclaa mugtahay. Yeah, when I was young I used to love these things. Yeah? I used to buy these things when I was young. What about you? What about you?
You like what?
I used to like these things.
When you're young?
Yeah.
Girl, I like them now when I'm old. This is Labubu key holder.
Yeah, you and Labubus. Labubu waay kaas. Yaa yaqaan Labubu. Here fun nails. What kind of ball is this? Oh, they look so nice.
This is what? It feels so good. Just do this. It feels so good.
Yeah.
Let's try.
You want to fight someone, you just like practice on this.
Yes. Like when you're angry, you're like.
And this is the one that releases water. Kan
Like gun.
yeah, kan waxa waaye kan oo biyaha sii deynayo. No.
This way.
I think it opens somewhere.
Yeah, I think so too.
It has water already. Is there a place to touch?
This way. There's not like the other one with choo-choo.
No, I think it needs to be touched somewhere.
Yeah. Bubble.
Yeah, it releases bubbles. And this is bigger version.
For babies.
Yeah. In the morning, I think a lot of them are not active. In the afternoon, everyone is playing something.
Really?
Yeah. Galbihii oo kale ayaga dhan waxbay ciyaaraan. What is this? Miha. Chega shama.
水晶泥，
Huh?
泥巴，你可以打开。
可以打开?
He wants to open up.
What?
Oh, it's like wow.
Okay.
Okay, that fell. But what for?
And then it's used for what? Wallahi bilay. Younger generation.
Gen Z.
They know this thing, I don't know. They use for what? Tayun shama.
还有什么？
Tayun shama, 这个用
就是拿出来这么，捏捏捏。
Okay, they just do it like this and make a shape.
And they feel happy.
You get it? You feel happy, yeah.
We also need this, girl. Like stress reliever. I think this is for older people, not even for the
Yeah.
babies.
This is for older people, serious. It doesn't have any smell.
Maybe for maybe 7 years old.
Yeah, where did I take this from?
I also don't know, girl. It's for building this
Yeah, this one is for
clay.
building. Yeah, clay.
Look at these African babies here.
Oh, they should sell this in Africa,
I'm telling you.
so our children feel like seen.
Yeah, I'm telling you, not this white dog.
Yeah, yeah, and the curly hair is next level.
They look like me, these dolls. Don't you think, Ikran?
Yeah, ilmaha marka u gadaysid wax saan u gad hadii kaleeto bahalada cadcadka ee just waxay aaminsanayaan inaysan jirin waxay u eg. Yeah, they will believe like there's something like them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not this white
Yeah,
white
not
dolls
only
now.
white
They
dolls.
want the smooth hair.
Yeah, looks cute. And real babies, look at this. Yeah, really, when I was young, I used to love these things.
Yeah, this one.
waxaan waa dooliska gabdhaha oo ay nooc eh. Let's go closer. Yeah. You see?
Don't you think I look like this one? Oh.
Huwaya.
What?
We
That's what
say
you say?
We say huwaya. Oh,
Nice.
so cute.
Yeah.
This is drawing, I think.
I love this. They're puzzles.
Yeah?
Puzzles. So maybe you are supposed to make maybe a room
10,000.
or maybe this one.
Check it, Shama.
Puzzles.
Yes.
How much is this?
The price is 5.5.
5.5. And how many pieces are you supposed to?
36.
36. 36 of different designs or just one?
Can mix.
Can mix designs.
10 you want one box?
If you buy one piece,
Yeah.
one piece 10 yuan.
Okay,
Really?
one piece 10
Maybe
you
I
want.
should get one.
And this is, how does it look like? I want to see the inside. Okay, so they fixed the puzzle.
Yeah.
Actually, this is the kind of things that are stimulating the
The
brain.
brain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is early childhood education toys. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, for their brain.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. Guys, marka ciyaalkiin wax baraysiin waxa loo gadaa waxyaabahan.
So I wonder if the puzzle is like this
oh.
and you build maybe a house or you can build a peacock.
Yeah.
So wow, look at this one.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah. They will learn color coordination. They will learn like problem fixing. Yeah, like this. It's really helpful for children to have these kind of games. meeshaan dhan waa building blocks. Bahaladaas la isku aadinayo waaye. Shishe. Bye bye.
Come get one.
You know one thing that I really support? Like young moms to buy educational toys for their children. Yeah, instead of random games.
Or maybe video
Yeah.
in phones.
You see, like this one, they will learn how to
Count.
color coordinate.
And count.
Yeah, and count as well. If there is one missing, they will realize, and that will make their brain grow. marka ciyaalkiina u gadaysiin games maaragtay games waxa loo gadaa oo educational wax ku baran karaan kanoo kale hadda number way mu jeedaa iyo colorna way ku baranayaan number way ku baranayaan wax walba suu iskugu aadan yahay taas waxay ka caawinaysaa ciyaalka maskaxdooda inay korto ee aqlilooshin noqdaan walahi so very important in ciyaalka lagu abaabiyo inay maskaxdooda ka shaqeysiyaan ayagoo yar so marka iidaha lagu jiro kaleeto waxyaabahan hadiyad looga dhigo intii xabad iyo qori looga dhigi lahaa hadiyad. Look at this. This is classic, you know.
Right.
Yeah. Kan ku ugu muhiimsan ay ku jiraan. You know, they will learn the size because it's different size. Yeah. They will learn how to fix the size, the colors.
Not just put anything anywhere.
They will not put anything anywhere randomly. And as well, this one, you see, they will not be able to take it out in other way. The only way they can take it out is to fix it.
Oh, so maybe we come up here, then you need to see, maybe I should.
Yes.
What? I also need one girl.
Yeah, you see? Yeah.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, so now you know you have to remove all this.
Yes. You remove and you give to the baby, and then he will learn how to.
And it's just not one. You have like four of them.
Shapes, yes.
Four shapes. This is nice.
Yeah.
We should take their Mingtian.
And this is really nice. Actually, they learn how to make sound as well. You see?
That's cool, yeah.
Like this, it makes different sounds.
Yeah.
It's like music.
It's like piano.
It's like piano. It's nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Waxaan oo dhan educational toys la dhahaa. Ilmaha wuxuu ka caawinayaa maskaxiyan inuu u koro.
I think more puzzles.
Yeah.
More puzzles.
Yeah, more puzzles. You know this, he will learn the numbers and the shape and colors. One game only, he will learn 3 things. Imagine.
And the animal, if it's a butterfly.
Yeah,
or
it's
what?
a butterfly, it's a panda, like this. Wuxuu baranayaa nooc yahay. I think this is tiger, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So waxa uu sameynaya xitaa bahalka noocuu baranaa, numberadii baranaa, ABCdii baranaa, you see?
I think even schools need this.
Yeah, really.
For the baby classes.
Yeah, for baby classes, they need these kind of fun things
to keep them busy.
To keep them busy. Yeah. Come, let's see this thing making sound.
But where are they going?
Waxaan oo dhan waxaa waay bombalayaal oo codsi samayn karo.
This is for what? Winter. Hey, I've forgotten I have lots of hair.
Where the big one? The black one?
This one?
No, the other one. This black one.
This?
Yes. It looks elegant.
What's happening? Ah, Ikram, no, I'm defeated. was 10.
waxaa waaye hal yuan keliya 7 yuan ah $1
How do you use it?
It's 1 yuan, huh?
就是有灯，但是没有这么多。
Okay.
就是应该3米的灯线，就是直接绕球1圈。
He's controlling it with his hand, yeah?
The watch.
Yeah, gacmihiisu ku control gareynayaa ma jeedaa?
出国啊，我给你报的最低价格要看它。正常我们订售都要看它195到230天的。
Phone. 145 145 yuan. How much dollar is that? Okay. intaas waxaa waaye wuxuu dhahay 145 u qaybi 7 yuan. $20 baabuurkaas oo sida caadiga ah u isticmaali kartid oo nice-ka ah. Really, waa very cheap one. Yeah? So, ciyaalka loo gadaa alaabxaas. Small cars,
Big cars.
big cars. Come. Catherine. ilmaha boorsooyinkooda zaid nooga qurux badan. Wallahi caadi maahan. qiimaha ma ka wareysanaa? Huh? Should we ask the price? It's really looking elegant.
Very.
gabdhaha yarka ciidi alaabtaan oo kale in loo gado waaye. Hi. Chega dosho. mushi iga bifacia. 16 块ba. 16 waxaa waaye $2. Only $2 for this fancy bag.
Cool.
Yeah?
And they are
Maya
telling you there is
bottles.
also water bottles.
Yeah.
Have you seen them?
Lakin, yeah.
Yeah.
Wallahi billah. A girl who have these two, that bag and this,
Open it.
is gonna live life. Can you? There you are.
Is it a real water bottle?
Yeah. Hot water. Chega dosho.
这个120，
120. Bifacia.
58。
Ushiba. 52. How maybe seven. No.
$.
1 carton 50 pieces。
1 carton 50 pieces.
Ikram, can you hold that with the pass so we see
Yeah.
your future baby?
Yes. Here.
Yeah, so cute.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A baby can have this and this as her water bottle.
Or a milk bottle.
This is really fancy.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. You can match. Isku aadisan kartaa. Caadi ma. Thank you. Check the shot. The shot yet. Mushi iga. Khandwa. Waxaa dhawaa wax badan aan gadanaya ay. Sashi bifacia. Way shaman magwiya. Sodoni ko dhahay. Sodoni ko meeqa dollar kana? Waa $4 and half. $4 per way.
You can build it.
Yeah.
This is a home.
Yeah. It has magnets?
Yeah.
Magnet haysataa. Really? It looks nice to touch. Guys, magnet haysataa walisku aadini karaa. Is this? Yeah. Very nice. Ninkan wuxuu hayaa all kind of drones. $4 u gadaya waxyaabaha qaar hadda bahashu hayo kaleeto. Yeah. Nice. kanna waa kan waterka biyaha oo bubble-ka sameynayo. waxaana waxaa waaye ilmaha meeshay ku ciyaaraan roogyada la dhigo oo ama maxaa la lahaa sheeg bustayaasha la dhigo ilmaha markay meelaha ku ciyaarayaan oo kale. Nambaraan. This is nice,
Ikram,
right?
this is a good sale back at home.
Really?
Like school buys it. When you have a baby, you want just to put them on top of this.
Yes.
Yeah, and then you can just play.
Really?
La bubu thingy. La bubu puzzle. bubuhat puzzles.
Yeah.
户外。能不能拆开看一下？也是你的。哎呦，我们这个是自己做的尾货，你现在最便宜都买不到这个价格的。
dadka qaar hal hal ay gadanooyaan dadka qaarna waxay gadanooyaan jumla ahaan sababta ganacsigooda waaye yeah
I just got the shell. 15. 5. 15.
$2 le waaye
You do a baby shower. I think you can also take this for the baby, so the baby can have like somewhere to play in. So helpful than just taking, I don't know, clothes. Okay, you can take clothes, but this will be more helpful.
yeah whatever you take this will also be unique
Yeah.
actually
This-
a lot of
actually, this
people
will be
they don't
unique.
think like this you know
Yeah.
你不可能下雨天出去玩的呀，
waxay dhahday marka saaxiibta oo kaleeto ama qof familigaaga ah markii oo maxaa la ilmo uu dhalo 40 bax oo kaleeto kan oo kale hadiyad oga dhigi kartaa ilmahay ku fadhiisanaysaa saayid u caawinaya ay ku dhahday so waxyaabaha qaar oo hadiyad ahaanta la isku sii waaye yeah
Or
actually,
should we
I
open
agree
like a
with you.
baby shower gift point?
yeah
Right?
yeah
Yeah.
you will open
Yes, I will open.
yeah
But in mall, there will be a section for babies.
yes Ooh.
Yes, girl.
yeah
That's a good idea.
Catherine Small there's gonna be a section guys
Come
Have
on,
an
come
eye.
all.
have an eye for it keep an eye on Catherine she's bringing mashallah amazing things
Oh, if I'm doing how to do this, wait, let me show you. You do this, then I want it to go this way. Can you do it?
no
They're not bouncy though.
yeah
They're not too bouncy. Like I want to. Yeah, that.
you did it
But that. Yes. Okay, cut. It's almost this. Where you put money?
他这玩意儿做这么久了。对，电池的。送我个电池吧。
yeah let's go eat
Hi. I'm good. You?
大家一键起飞。Oh my god. What a technology. It's amazing.
arag ilmaha qoriga loo dhiibaya ani cil igu dilo when they give children guns it annoys me really.
Really? Why?
Yeah, because they will grow up to be fighters.
We need fighters.
No.
Then they will go to the what?
No.
The military.
No.
You can look at this for birthdays
Yes, all kinds
and
of
baby
designs.
showers, I think.
Yeah.